Research and development on a broad technological base also leads to new generation aircraft. Bell's 222 is the exciting trend-setting mid-size twin-turbine helicopter that fills a unique requirement in the industry. 5 prototypes are currently involved in the most comprehensive flight test program in helicopter history, logging to date over 700 hours. The 222 was designed for the commercial market worldwide. Primary design objectives were safety, comfort, efficiency, reduced cost of ownership, and superior handling qualities. The basic 8-place cabin configuration is flexibly designed to convert to utility, high-density seating, or low-density executive boardroom. Safety features include dual electrical and hydraulic systems, rupture-resistant fuel cells, a new technology rotor hub with redundant elastomeric bearings, and a new concept composite main rotor blade system. 2 Lycoming LTS 101 turbines generate 650 horsepower per side. Single engine performance exceeds all established requirements. Modular engine construction simplified inspection and maintenance. The engines will be approved for 2,400-hour TBO. Alternatively, the operator may trend monitor the engines, which are then certified for on-condition overhaul. The 170-mile-per-hour speed and 400-plus statute-mile range, coupled with the twin-engine reliability, will impact heavily on offshore and other energy-related operations. The 222 will be FAA certified under Part 29, Category B. It has provisions for all-weather IFR capability, with ample and easily accessible space for navigation equipment. Research and development produce outstanding components to increase overall performance and service life. Bell engineers have designed this equipment and are already one step beyond the state-of-the-art in developing fiberglass composite blades using pre-impregnated fibers. The blade consists of a filament-wound S fiberglass epoxy spar with fiberglass afterbody skins supported by Nomex honeycomb core. This filament-wound spar technique eliminates the high cost of hand layup of the composites in the main structural elements of the blade. Fabrication of the blade spar is completed in a single curing operation. Materials used in the blade are impervious to corrosion, and the blade is designed for unlimited fatigue life. Bell's target is 80% automation in blade manufacture. The pre-cured skins and Nomex are bonded to the spar in the final assembly operation. The 33-inch cored, 50-foot diameter main rotor has been tested on a 214 at speeds to 140 knots.